Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Instagram feed for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on a link. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company, and one of the widgets they make is Instagram feed. So just click sign up for free and just add an email and password here. When you will have it, you want to click on login. When you're gonna click on login, you want to write here Instagram, and you're gonna see it here, Instagram feed. Let's create a widget. When you have it, you can choose between the grid, the hashtag showcase, the collage, the post slider. You can really choose which one you like. I'm going to choose this one here, and let's continue with the template. You just add here Instagram source. So I will just find this one here and I will add it. And let's wait until it loads. You can also change the feed layout. You can also change the post template, and you can change the colors if you want. So you can really play around it. When you will have it, you want to click on save. Right here, you will have a code, but before that, let me show you something. You will need to choose a plan. You can start with a basic one or a light one if you're starting with 200 views. But if you are starting out with a that you got like 5,000 views per month on your site or 50,000, go with the pro version or basic or just all apps, and we will get to it. Let's copy the code here. Let's click on widgets and let's just add a code. HTML. When we have it, update. Okay, and voila, here we got it. Perfect Instagram feed for your site in Duda. So thank you very much, everybody, and this is what I wanted to show you. So when you go to applications, and you can get like all applications for like 30 bucks a month. You can really choose if you want to. It's up to you. And let's remove this one. And there are like Facebook feeds. So if you're gonna choose like 2 apps from here, go with the how it's called. You know how it's called. Just go with all applications. If you're gonna choose like 2 apps, go with like 15 bucks a month. That's like much better than this. So this is how you can add Instagram feed for your site in Duda. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.